Did you know that some seals can hold their breath for up to 2 hours while diving in the ocean? Yes, it's true. These amazing marine animals have adapted incredibly well to their watery habitats, developing some truly fascinating capabilities. Let's talk about seals' diving abilities. Seals are known as deep divers. Some species, like the Weddell seal, can dive up to 2,000 feet below the ocean's surface. That's nearly 2/3 of a mile. But how do they manage to hold their breath for so long? It's all down to their unique physiology. Seals have a substantially larger volume of blood than land mammals of comparable size. This extra blood can store more oxygen, aiding in their long underwater excursions. Their heart rate also slows down dramatically when they dive, a phenomenon known as bradycardia. This reduces their oxygen consumption, allowing them to stay submerged for longer periods. But that's not all. Seals have a high concentration of a protein called myoglobin in their muscles, which stores oxygen and slowly releases it during a dive. It's like having an inbuilt scuba tank. And let's not forget about their flippers. These are not just for show. Seals' flippers are strong and flexible, perfect for propelling them through the water at impressive speeds. They're also great for steering, allowing seals to navigate the ocean depths with ease. Seals also have a layer of blubber or fat beneath their skin, which provides buoyancy, insulation, and a source of energy. This blubber layer allows them to withstand the cold temperatures of the deep ocean and helps them float, reducing the energy required to swim. So, seals are not just cute and adorable. They are master divers, equipped with a range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in their aquatic environments. Their ability to hold their breath, dive deep, navigate the ocean, and even withstand cold temperatures is nothing short of remarkable. So, next time you're holding your breath in a swimming pool, remember, you've got nothing on a seal. Seals are not all the same. In fact, there are 33 different species of seals worldwide. Each of these fascinating creatures boasts its own unique characteristics and habitats, and we're going to explore a few of them today. Let's start with the ubiquitous harbor seal. Known for their spotted coats and curious nature, harbor seals are found across the northern hemisphere, from the icy waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic to the warm coasts of California and the Pacific Northwest. Next, we dive into the icy waters of the Antarctic to meet the Weddell seal. Named for their discoverer, British sealing captain James Weddell, these seals are known for their incredible diving abilities, reaching depths of over half a mile and staying submerged for more than an hour. Then we have the leopard seal, another Antarctic resident. These seals are named for their spotted coats and predatory nature. They're the top predators of their icy habitat, even daring to take on emperor penguins. Switching gears to warmer climates, we find the Hawaiian monk seal, one of the most endangered seal species. Native to the Hawaiian Islands, these seals are known for their playful nature and are a beloved symbol of the island's unique wildlife. In the cold waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic, we encounter the massive elephant seal. These behemoths are named for their large, trunk-like noses and can weigh up to 4 tons, making them one of the largest seal species. Lastly, let's introduce the ringed seal, the smallest and most numerous of all seal species. These seals are perfectly adapted to life in the icy Arctic, with thick blubber to keep them warm and clawed flippers for digging into the ice. These are just a handful of the diverse seal species that inhabit our planet. Each species has its own unique adaptations and behaviors that allow it to thrive in its specific environment. From the icy Arctic to the warm waters of the tropics, seals have truly conquered the world's oceans. When it comes to food, seals are top predators and their diet can vary greatly. In the vast oceans, seals have a diverse menu to choose from. Fish, like herring and salmon, are often their preferred meal. They're not just skilled fish hunters, though. Seals will also dive deep into the ocean's depths to catch squid. This underwater agility and adaptability allows seals to thrive in a variety of marine environments worldwide. But seals don't stop at fish and squid. In fact, their palate is much broader. Some larger seals, like the leopard seal, have been known to prey on other seals. This might come as a surprise, but in the animal kingdom, it's survival of the fittest. And these seals are definitely fit. The diet of seals isn't just about what's on the menu. It's also about how their diet shapes their behavior and life cycle. For instance, seals are known for their epic migrations, traveling thousands of miles in search of food. These journeys are a testament to the seal's incredible endurance and navigational skills. Food availability also impacts the breeding season of seals. When food is plentiful, seals are more likely to breed successfully. The mothers need a rich diet to produce enough milk for their pups. So, food availability is a vital factor in the survival of seal pups. Speaking of pups, did you know that seals teach their young how to hunt? That's right. Seal mothers will often bring back live prey for their pups to practice on, preparing them for a life of hunting in the ocean. The diet of seals also plays a role in their size and lifespan. Seals that have access to a plentiful and diverse diet tend to grow larger and live longer. This just goes to show how much of a seal's life revolves around what they eat. So, whether it's a tiny fish or a hefty seal, seals are not picky eaters. Their diet, diverse and adaptable, is a testament to their resilience and resourcefulness in the wild. From a cute, fluffy pup to a sleek adult, the life of a seal is full of changes and challenges. Let's dive into the fascinating world of seals and explore their life cycle. The life of a seal begins in a snowy landscape when a tiny, fluffy white pup is born. These pups are born on ice floes during the harshest winter months. It may seem like a tough start, but these pups are born with a thick layer of blubber that keeps them warm. Their mothers, with their undying love and care, nurse them for about a month, feeding them with rich, fatty milk that helps them double their weight in just a few short weeks. But life isn't always cozy for these pups. As they grow, they shed their fluffy white fur for a sleeker, darker coat, preparing them for their aquatic life. This is when they face their first major challenge, learning to swim. It's a critical skill they need to master in order to survive in the wild. Once they've mastered swimming, they're ready to start hunting. They start with small fish and squid, gradually working their way up to larger prey. It's a tough learning curve, but seals are natural predators. They have sharp teeth and strong webbed flippers that make them excellent swimmers and hunters. As adults, seals spend most of their time in the water, but they return to land during the breeding season. They engage in intense battles to win mates and protect their territories. It's a tough competition, but it's a necessary part of the seal's life cycle. Finally, the cycle comes full circle when the female seals give birth and start nurturing their own pups. They pass on their survival skills and knowledge to the next generation, ensuring the survival of their species. Life for a seal is a constant cycle of growth, adaptation, and survival. Each stage presents its own challenges, but seals are resilient. They have evolved to be perfectly suited to their harsh, icy habitat. Despite the hardships, seals are well equipped to thrive in their aquatic world. Scene script. Seals, like many other marine creatures, face a variety of threats, but humans are stepping in to help. In the vast, interconnected web of life, seals play a significant role. However, these intriguing marine animals are under constant threat. From the icy Arctic to the balmy tropics, their survival is challenged by a range of issues. Firstly, climate change is a major concern. Rising temperatures are causing polar ice to melt at an alarming rate. For species like the harp seal, which rely on ice floes for breeding, the loss of ice means the loss of crucial habitat. Then, there's pollution. It's not just about unsightly debris floating in the ocean. Pollutants such as heavy metals and chemicals can accumulate in the seals' bodies, leading to a host of health problems. Plastic waste can also pose a direct threat when seals become entangled or ingest these harmful materials. And let's not forget about hunting. Some species of seals have been hunted for centuries for their fur, meat, and oil. Even with regulations in place, illegal hunting continues to be a problem in certain parts of the world. But it's not all doom and gloom. Across the globe, concerted efforts are underway to protect seals and their habitats. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to study seal populations, monitor their health, and track their movements. Legislation is being put into place to restrict hunting and protect seal habitats. Cleanup initiatives are tackling the issue of marine pollution head-on. Education is another powerful tool in the conservation toolbox. By raising awareness about the threats seals face and what we can do to help, we can inspire people to take action. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, participating in beach cleanups, or supporting conservation efforts, every action counts. Together, we can help ensure that seals continue to thrive for generations to come.